If I gave you $100 today, would you rather bet it on one company or own a small piece of the entire US economy? Most beginners lose money because they try to pick winners, but what if you didn't have to? Imagine a giant basket. Inside that basket are hundreds of the biggest companies in America. That basket is called an index fund. Simple, no Wall Street jargon. What is an index? An index tracks a group of companies. For example, the S&P 500 tracks 500 of the largest US companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Nvidia. When these companies grow, the index grows. You don't need to guess which one wins. You own them all. Picking one stock is like betting on one player in a game. An index fund is like owning the whole team. If one player fails, the team still plays. Diversification protects you. Why beginners lose money? Most beginners try to time the market, chase hype stocks, panic during crashes. An index fund removes emotion. It follows the market automatically. No guessing, no gambling. But what if the market crashes? It will, and historically, it has always recovered long-term. Even during major downturns, the US economy adapts and grows. The power of long-term growth. Over decades, the US market has grown consistently. Investors like Warren Buffett have publicly supported low-cost index funds for most people. Why? Because simplicity often wins. The goal isn't to beat the market, it's to own it. Here's what most people don't know. Index funds are cheap. Low expense ratios mean more money stays invested and compounds over time. Fees quietly destroy returns. Low-cost investing protects them. How do you actually buy one? In the US, beginners typically invest through 401k, Roth IRA, brokerage account. You can buy index funds that track major indexes like the S&P 500. You don't need thousands. You can start small and stay consistent. Beginners try to predict the future. Investors build systems. An index fund is a system. It works whether you're watching the market or not. The real secret: time. Index funds are powerful because of compound growth. Money earns returns. Those returns earn returns. Over years, small investments grow exponentially. Time matters more than talent. Trying to beat the market is exciting. Owning the market is effective. Most wealthy people don't gamble daily. They build long-term positions and stay disciplined. If a 12-year-old can understand this, why do most adults still overcomplicate investing? Comment index if this finally made sense. Subscribe to FreeMan if you're ready to build wealth the simple way. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.